morning, everyone. Today we are here to talk about one of the questions that was placed on our wall. And the question was about the seasons with a rotating sun. All right, so in a previous post, I mentioned that the Earth was rotating in one direction, but we're going to change our mind about that because the Bible doesn't say anything about the Earth rotating. It says the Earth is stationary, so we're going to correct ourselves about that. So what's happening is that, all right, while the Earth is sitting there in the center of the universe, I'll move it up closer here. While the Earth is sitting there in the middle of the universe, we have the sun and the moon rotating around, okay? So what that means is that there should not, and obviously there isn't, be a problem with the seasons because both moon and star are rotating continuously around the Earth. So while the moon's on one side of the world, the sun is on the other. I mean, we already know about time zone changes and everything. I mean, we already know that right now, for an example, Central Standard Time, it's in the middle of the night in China, or actually early evening at this recording, but still, no matter, it is very doable, and that means that our seasons aren't going to change, and that also means that there isn't going to be daily eclipses, because somebody else already mentioned that. So, because, I mean, sometimes the moon slows down and the sun catches up, and then we'll have that going on, or if the sun happens to be behind the moon, so it depends if we're having a solar or lunar eclipse. Just depends on where these two objects are colliding or meeting or whatever the case may be. And when I say colliding, I don't mean literally, because I know some of you detractors are going to have fun with that one. Anyhow, so while all of this is going on, I have to find my other. This is all going on under the dome. Now this is just a representation. I am not saying the dome is this size because obviously it has to be much larger for the Earth, the moon, and the sun to do their job and not run into each other and be compacted. Also, some of you keep talking about, what about all the other planets? Well, you know what? The Bible doesn't talk about the other planets, so we don't give a flying fig about the other planets. So think about that. All right. Well, thank you for tuning in, and we will talk to you later. Thanks.